All right, what we have here is we got tired of the hard shifting and the putting too much stress on the shifter lever and the cable and all the mechanism and transmission, so we installed a Duraclutch, and we're trying to remedy the problems you have with the stock Polaris clutch, which I have been into and tried to fix many times, and I just keep coming back to. I finally pulled the trigger and ordered a Duraclutch, and as you can see here, I'm explaining how that the Duraclutch isn't spinning that belt, because when that belt spins, you can't shift it. Anyway, I revved it up, and it slowed down and stopped, as you can see there, and I'm all happy because it didn't used to stop that quickly. It used to just keep spinning and was hard to shift. Here we go for a test drive on the new clutch. Here we go. Now you're supposed to break this Duraclutch and drive clutch and belt in. You're supposed to drive it for about 5 miles, and then during that 5 miles you stop approximately 10 times and pause for 30 seconds. Leave it in high gear and have the foot on the brake, and that allows your clutch packs to properly wear in. So we're sort of doing that.
Against the wall. Maybe I'm reckless, maybe I play the fool. Come hell or high water, baby, I think I want you. Someday you'll come running, somehow you'll see I'll be longing, I'm free.
House. Got her all plowed out. Just gonna clean up a little bit. Gosh, it just shifts so much nicer. Well, wow, this thing just shifts like a dream now. Love it.
I've been coming up hot for a minute. Everybody know the drop when I'm in it. Drop the top when I'm in it. Everybody know the drop when I'm in it. Yeah, I know so you. Everybody know I'm on it. You know when they click through to the send the spots to be so big fun.
I'll be damned if I'm leaving without you. So give me a minute to catch my breath. Take what's yours, I'll take what's left. I'm used to coming up second best. Always fail to pass the test. I'll be damned if I'm leaving without you.
The tour for the evening. Till in the morning. It's gonna snow anymore tonight. There's a dog in the rearview camera. Well, this concludes our snowplow and Duraclutch test run for the Duraclutch.
Take what's yours, I'll take what's left. I'm used to coming up second best. Always fail to pass the test. I'll be damned if I'm leaving without you.
Oh, look, it's a puppy. Hello, puppy.